Okay guys, this is about citations. I'm going to try to make it quick. Here is citationmachine.net. I'm using the Death and the Maiden that we were talking about for where are you going, where have you been. I'm in MLA. Make sure up here you're in MLA, you're in website. Okay, go search websites. Okay, select. Select. Okay, it'll tell you what they found. Okay, go final step. Okay. Okay. Sorry, this is going really slow because of all the ads. Right. Okay. Go create citation. And there it is. And once again, oh god, are you kidding me? This is from the Owl Purdue site, and it's just chock full of ads. Alright. It's slowing down my whole computer. This came from Owl Purdue, so let's go to Cite This For Me. Let's see how it goes. Please. Okay, MLA. Okay. Let me move this to make sure you can see it. This is CiteThisForMe.com. Alright. MLA, 8th edition website. Okay. Here's where you're going to copy and paste the URL from the browser. This is still going really slow because of all the ads. I really hate this. We used to have... There we go. So, nope. We used to have EasyBib as part. Okay, nope. We used to have EasyBib as something that you could get for free as a Pima student, and now we don't anymore. So anything you use is going to be full of all these ads. Okay, you can see that citationmachine.net eventually did get it here. Here's how you copy it to put it at the end of your paper, to paste it at the end of your paper, okay? I'm going to close, this is citationmachine.net, and I'm going to close it now because it's slowing down my computer. Alright, I'm going to go back to Cite This For Me. Just going to go back in to Cite This For Me, so I don't have to keep starting this video over. It's driving me nuts. Alright. The ads on these just, you know, I don't have a super high-powered computer, and it really slows it down. Okay, here's the URL that I'm putting in. Okay, where's my cursor? There. Okay. I'm clearly going to have to make more than one video. I apologize. Cite. This is just very slow because, again, all of these ads, all of this kind of bloatware. You can't see it, but down below it says continue. There you go. Continue. Okay. Scroll down. Continue. Okay, you can add more information in here if you can find it. Okay. Okay, the publisher is what's not found. Now, if you can go back into... I'm kind of afraid if I do this that... Alright, it's Journal of the Short Story in English is the publisher, right? I'm just afraid that any clicking back and forth is going to slow this down more. Okay. Here's where you can enter a field. Again, this is going very slowly. Because of all these ads. Go complete citation. Okay, once again, it's going to show us the citation below the ad. There it is. Okay, you can go copy there. You can make a Cite This For Me account and upload what quotes you're using, or upload or keep adding more and more, keep creating more and more. We'll talk about this during your research paper. Citations, and then download to Word. Okay, so I'm going to close this now. Okay, so let's talk about, this is an OWL Purdue, specifically about formatting your paper, which is what we were talking about. So this is accepted practice here. Make it bigger. Okay, your name, name of the professor, writing 102, date. I want you to have the, rough draft, close reading here. Okay, and then your title, and then last name and page number. Remember that you need to put the page number in separately. Okay. Okay, so your name. Okay. Writing. 2, 3, 19, which is when this is rough draft is due. 19, rough draft, close reading. No good men. No. Quotation marks. No good men in sight. About a good man is hard to find. Let's say you're doing. Okay? Remember that you go page number, top of page, line number 3, Smith, close header and footer. Okay? Remember that you do not capitalize prepositions or articles within the title, and that's why it had that underlined in green. Okay. Now, let's go back in here. Did I close that citation? I did, because I was trying to get rid of it. Slowing everything down. Let's see if I can find another citation for you. Maybe in here. Notes. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to put this in here just to show you how it works, okay? Try to find the original collection and cite that work. Okay. If you can't find the page number within that in the library or online, it's okay to just cite the page number from the story itself. That's fine. The one that we have uploaded on the D2L, so that I know where you took the quote from. Okay, so original work, I'm gonna put here, and then any outside work that you use that is informing your critique or historical context that you're using. Okay, so really quick, let's put this all in Times New Roman, size 12. Paragraph, line spacing, double. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take your works cited. If you download it directly from citethis4me.com, it'll do this for you. But if you don't, it won't. You need to have what's called a hanging indent. Okay, this should be centered. Alright, paragraph, line spacing, double, special, hanging. Okay. Alright, so what it does is it makes any second line hanging. Original work, which piece you are analyzing comes, it's okay if you can't find page number from that original work. In that case, please use page number when quoting from the work that you find in the D2L on the hyperlink I used for class. Okay, so you can see that this is how it looks, right? With a hanging indent. Again, that is paragraph, special, hanging. Okay. So that is how you do formatting. Okay. And that's how you can do your citations. I'm going to do... Alright, I'm going to make another quick video about... I'm sorry that took so long, my computer's just freezing. Another quick video about how to look for interpretations and analyses that can help you.